My name is Joe Shannon with Shannon Law Group, and I'm here to answer a lot of questions for you today. If you've been in a car wreck, if somebody causes a crash and runs into you, say they run a stop sign or a stoplight, and you're injured, what should you do? Well, I always tell folks, don't have your behavior controlled by a personal injury lawsuit. No, use common sense. Go seek medical treatment. Have the doctor evaluate you. I've had folks that have come in to see me after a crash. They've gone to the doctor initially, gone to the hospital, gone through a triage, and then been discharged. They told them to go see an orthopedic doctor or go see their doctor, and they haven't done so. And I asked them, why haven't you done that? Well, one lady that came into me, I said, why haven't you gone back to the orthopedic surgeon? She said, I just haven't had time. Well, she went back. The orthopedic surgeon took a look at her and took a look at her films, did a fresh set of films, and told her that if she had not come in to see him, she may be paralyzed. The reason is because something bad happened to her cervical disc during the crash, and it had to be fixed right away. So use common sense, go see the doctor. Doctors first, lawyers a long way after that. We put together a number of books to help you because one of the things that our missions of Shannon Law Group is to make sure that you know your rights, that you kind of understand exactly the inside baseball of what's going on. So I put together a book called Transportation Law. In this book, it'll talk about what happens after a car crash. If you get involved in a personal injury case, what happens from the time that you file a case all the way through a trial and even an appeal, and how to deal with a lawyer, and how to look for a lawyer. If you text us at 312-847-2428, we'll send you a free copy of Transportation Law. This one will give you the inside baseball on what's going on in these types of cases. A lot of cases that where people call us aren't cases that they need us to resolve. For example, if there's a really small case, there's no permanent injuries, there's maybe some property damage only, and the doctors have cleared you, you really have no injuries other than maybe some cuts and bruises, that type of thing. We wrote a book called How to Settle Your Own Auto Accident Claim. And here it is. If you text us at 312-847-2428, we'll send you a copy of this book. Basically, this teaches you how to deal with insurance company adjusters. It teaches you how to deal with your smaller case without the need for a lawyer. This one will be sent to you directly to whatever address you give it to us. We also have a copy of it downloadable from our website. So take a look at that one, and this will help you with that. Those are types of cases that we don't get involved in, but we want to make sure that our friends and our clients are able to be on the same footing as an insurance adjuster when they make decisions as to how to resolve their claim. Another book that was put together by Pat Cummings. A lot of the cases that we have involve trucking cases where a big truck recklessly or negligently crashes into one of our clients and causes a horrific situation. So Patrick put together a great book, Avoiding a Trucking Nightmare. This also is great for the inside baseball on these type of cases. What happens during a case, what happens after the case is filed, how to interact with the lawyer, that type of thing. So we will send you a copy of this book if you text us at 312-847-2428. That's text us at 312-847-2428, and we'll be sending you a copy of this in the mail free of charge. This will be helpful for you in your odyssey of dealing with your case if something bad like that happens to you. Again, our mission at Shannon Law Group is to represent people zealously. But if we cannot represent you, we want to help you, educate you, to make sure that you do the right thing in your case.